In step 5, we're going to work on the following things. We're going to work on tips to protect yourself from lawsuits. I hate those phone calls and emails from attorneys blaming me because my past client had a roof leak. Well, it wasn't leaking at the time of the inspection, and it wasn't raining at the time of the inspection. So what are the legal resources to help protect home inspectors from complaints and lawsuits? We're also going to work on getting paid by swiping credit cards at the inspection and even taking credit cards online through your website. That's really great. Copying ideas from other reports. We're going to take a look at other inspection reports. We're going to learn about not being a commodity. That's the most awful thing. But we are in a service that is kind of like a commodity, and we'll talk more about that. You do not want to be a commodity, and we're going to show you how. We're going to calculate net profit. Let's learn how to get into the house and start inspecting things like a stairway. Estimating your inspection time. If you're wasting your time, you're never going to be successful. We're going to look at finding defects, ordering free marketing stuff, using a program called Move-In Certified to reach out to new potential clients and put a home inspection report and everyone driving down the street looking for a home to buy. Using the free honor guarantee, we're going to work on providing free home maintenance books, like this one here. And we're going to work on finding IAC2 and InterNACHI in every Home Depot. And we're going to determine if your website is any good. Those are the things that we're going to work on. Let's go.